Now because you've got the cycle, my dear girls, for free doesn't mean you can't take care of it. You are supposed to take care of this. For the schools that we have read out the names initially, after you have finished this, you are supposed to hand it over to somebody who requires. If you finish your 10th standard, leave the school. We intend doing these projects more and more, but we want to see this as a pilot, if it's really going to work for you to go to schools. This is meant for you to go to school on time and to help yourselves not waste time because of lack of transport. The idea is to help you study better. Are you going to do that? Yes or no? I can't hear. All right, thank you.
Emily, look at
such social cause functions, and I wish them all the best and look forward to them doing many more of such functions, and I hope that all the girl students use the cycles for a good cause, and once they are done and if there is no use for them, then at least they can give the cycles to the next students who can use it ahead. Thank you.
Club of Margam Midtown has done in its 25th year. This is our 25th year. This is our silver jubilee year. We have completed 25 years in May last month. And so to commemorate this, we have given out hundreds cycles to girl students. Now the whole concept is many of these girl students, they don't reach school because they don't have bus transport, or they are forced to walk, and many of them drop out. So as to not allow them to do this and give them an opportunity to carry on with their education, we have provided these cycles to them. Now the cycles are actually given to the schools. Schools have given us the names of students who really need them. When they finish their 10th standard, they will go back to the school and the school will give it to some other student who requires it. We intend doing more of this. This is a pilot. We want to see how many students need it. I know the government is doing its bit by giving them buses, but all the buses are not enough to carry students in. We know for a fact that some of the surveys that we have done in these villages of coastal Salse, there are buses that are not enough to get students who walk to school from far off places. So to avoid that, we have tried to help them with, especially the girl students, we have helped them with these cycles. Rotary also does a lot of other things. We are also into providing e-learning systems, which we have done this year as a part of our 25th year. So the e-learning systems are basically computers which are built into a projector with all the syllabus of this year already uploaded over there from the 5th to the 10th. If next year the NEP syllabus comes, we are going to upgrade that syllabus for free. So it allows the teacher to do a lot of things. So that's another project that we have done on a large basis. More than 70 schools have been helped in the last 4 years. This year we have done about 5-6 schools, and we intend doing more in the coming year. Besides that, we have a lot of other things. I am Dr. Lenny DeCosta. I am the district governor for Rotary in Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra for 26-27. And I was blessed to have been able to kind of pilot this project through our CSR partners, Heritage Village Resorts and Spa, ROC.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.